How to create QR code for Telegram group. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to create the QR code for adding people on your Telegram group, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to create QR, simply tap onto one of the group just like this. After that, here you can find the group name, just right here, select it. Then here you can find add members, now tap on it. Then here you can find invite to group via link, select it. Then here you can find the link, just right here. Now tap onto three dot lines right here, select it. Then here you can find get QR code, just right here, tap on it. And now you can see you have created the QR code for the Telegram group. Simply share the QR code now and simply add the members using the QR code. And that's it. This is how you can create QR code for Telegram group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.